Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from India to Singapore bank account with Wise. This is easy. The first step we need to do, we need to open our Wise account and then we're gonna select this currency, the Indian currency, and then we're gonna click send. We're gonna click send to send money. Okay, right here we're gonna select the Singapore dollar. We're gonna find is SGD and then we're gonna select this currency. Once we do that, we need to select this actual bank details and then we're gonna select someone else or myself if we were going to send this money to ourselves. Okay, in this area we're gonna add all the information about the person who will receive the money. In this case, right here you can see there is need to be a bank name and the account number of the bank. You need to add all this information right here and then you're going to click continue to send the money. Okay, it's really, I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.